Tired of battling stubborn kitchen messes and struggling to keep your space spotless? Meet Whizy Cleaning Helper, the all-in-one solution designed to make your cleaning routine faster, easier, and more efficient. Our range includes the powerful foam spray, ultra-absorbent kitchen towel, and versatile dish drying mug, each crafted to tackle everyday challenges with ease.
Why choose Whizy Cleaning Helper? With Whizy, you're not just getting cleaning products, you're getting a smarter way to maintain a clean and organized kitchen. Our products are designed with convenience, performance, and sustainability in mind, ensuring you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your space. Product 1, Whizy Kitchen Cleaner and Degreaser. Foam Cleaner 500 ml. Transform your kitchen cleaning routine with Whizy Kitchen Cleaner and Degreaser. This powerful foam cleaner is designed to tackle tough grease and grime, leaving your kitchen sparkling clean and fresh. Formulation: specially formulated to cut through grease and stubborn stains. Product 2, introducing the Whizy Non-Woven Reusable Kitchen Towel Roll, a perfect blend of convenience, durability, and sustainability. This pack of 3 rolls offers up to 80 pulls per roll, providing you with a total of up to 240 highly absorbent sheets designed to handle all your kitchen cleaning needs. Whether it's wiping down surfaces, absorbing spills, or cleaning kitchen slabs, these towels are your go-to solution. Product 3, upgrade your kitchen with our versatile microfiber dish drying mat. This high-quality kitchen essential combines functionality and style, making it a must-have for any home. Super absorbent material, made from premium microfiber, this mat quickly absorbs water, ensuring your dishes, glasses, and utensils dry faster. Whizy Foam Spray. Say goodbye to tough grease, grime, and stains with Whizy Foam Spray. This powerful cleaner effortlessly cuts through the mess, leaving your kitchen surfaces sparkling clean and fresh. Its quick-action formula clings to surfaces, ensuring deep cleaning without harsh scrubbing. Perfect for countertops, stovetops, and sinks, Whizy Foam Spray is your go-to cleaner for a spotless kitchen. Whizy Kitchen Towel. The Whizy Kitchen Towel is more than just a towel, it's a game changer. Super absorbent and durable, it handles spills, splashes, and everyday messes like a pro. Made from high-quality materials, it's soft on your hands but tough on dirt, making it ideal for wiping down surfaces, drying dishes, and more. Plus, it's machine washable and reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. Whizy Dish Drying Mat. Make dish drying a breeze with the Whizy Dish Drying Mat. Designed to protect your countertops and speed up the drying process, this mat offers ample space for your dishes, glassware, and utensils. Its absorbent material soaks up water quickly, while the non-slip surface keeps your items secure. When not in use, it's easy to fold and store, saving you precious kitchen space. Whizy Clean, innovating to make your life and work effortlessly easy. Upgrade your cleaning routine today with Whizy Cleaning Helper, the perfect trio for a spotless kitchen. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and cleaning tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.